Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss function generation by inversion method for 2-position 4-bar mechanism. We already done the video with the 3-position inversion 4-bar mechanism, but as per your request we are here to discuss the 2-position synthesis of 4-bar mechanism. So let's start. The question is, design a 4-bar mechanism to coordinate 2 positions of input and output links for the following angular displacement. So angular displacement is given here, that is phi 1 to 40 degree and theta 1 2 is equal to 40 degree and phi 1 2 is equal to 60 degree. Now so let's start the solution. Firstly, draw the line segment AD, that length which is equal to the given length, but here the length of AD, that is fixed length, is not given, so I am going to draw an arbitrary length for this fixed link. Now again let's just draw output link CD by taking suitable length. So here is our point, fixed point D, and from this point I'm just drawn CD. After that, take an angle. For our second position output link, angle is given, that is equal to 60 degree. So from this output link, take that particular angle 60 degree and mark a line. The length of that line for next position is equal to length of your output link. So this point is nothing but the second position point C2. After that, connect A to C2 and rotate this C2 with an angle theta 1 2. So from this line AC2, let's take an angle equal to theta 1 2, that is equal to 40 degree. Let's take that angle and mark line. Theta 1 2 is equal to 40 degree. And that point is nothing but the C2 dash. Now next step is join C with C2 dash. So here I have drawn the line in between C and C2 dash, and then draw a mid normal for this C2 dash. So let's draw it, or simply we can say that bisect this C2 dash line. Here we have mid normal for this C2 dash. Next step is just mark an point B on this mid normal. Now here I'm just arbitrarily mark this point B on the mid normal, but if first position of this mechanism is given, then we can mark that point B accurately if length is known and first position angle is known. But right now we have only 2 angles, that's why I'm just marking this point B arbitrarily, and then connect arbitrarily on mid normal and just connect B to C. So this is your 2-position 4-bar mechanism by inversion method. I hope you get the concept. Thank you for watching video.